Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have the new listing. So, this is a total of 2.9 hectares for 5 million pesos. Actually, this is two titles. These are two titles, sorry. These are two titles. Duha kini ka titulo, guys. The other one is 1.2 or 12,000 square meters and 17,000 square meters or 1.7 hectare. So, nagisinya sa mga tao na sa pikas, the other one na po sa pikas. So, meaning, ang karsada, maoniga, kuan nila, maoniga, the boundary. That is the boundary of the two properties. So, ano siya guys? Then, these two properties is one owner or the same owner, and for sale for a package price of 5 million pesos. But the owner can allow to sell the other side, which is the 1.2 hectare or 12,000 square meters for a package price of 2 million. Madara daw og 2 million. So, pwede ra guys. 2 million. So, the other side is bigger man. So, it's something like 2.8. Waring ana siya. So, dako-dako gyud siya guys. Ang isa 1.7 and kuan 12,000, 1.7 o 17,000 square meters. By the way guys, this is located in Barangay Rizal, Talibon, Bohol. So this is nearer to Maranata, kanang naiskwelahan dia or napoy mga foreigners diha dapitan na muyo. There are already foreigners here living in this area. Na nangibalay sila diha guys. Then mao na. This property is for sale by my friend also living in Cebu who is a lawyer. So mao ni siya guys nga gi pabaligya. Ya. Pili lang ka asa imong paliton inibang 12,000 on 17,000 square meters. So, yun ni. Then, Talibon is the northern part of Bohol province, which is around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Northern part, ang tumoy man ni siya. Then, Talibon is a progressive town po guys. And this location is almost the boundary of Hitapi, Bohol, where Hitapi has seaport for Cebu, just only 1 hour and a half or 2 hours pinakadugay. Then Talibon has also a seaport, malls, and progressive town is it's a first class municipality which is around 9 kilometers away from this property. So nindot kayong property guys, natunga sa karsada, overlooking Cebu, then ideal for a mountain resort development. So, okay kayo siya gamon nga mountain resort development, guys. From highway, approximately 2 kilometers, 2 ka kilometro, more or less. Sige naman ko diri sa una. Although this kuan is forwarded yun ni guys, pero nibalo naman yun ko, kadaghan naman yun ko, nakaari naman yun ko aning lugara. Sige. Because I am also from Talibon. Then I have also a prospect who bought a property nearby this property. They are also foreigners. Po, nakapalit po sila da. So ingana na guys, either na lang, pero mas barato kining 1.2 hectare or 12,000 square meters kay kuan man kanang ubos-ubos siya og size. So kuan. So okay ra kayo ang atong kuan. Sige lang kung just in case you know dili pa man gyud nato makuan. Kung munigosit gyud ta siguro ato lang kuan. Depende ra gyud nato pohon no kay sahay man gud magnegosyate ta depende. Pero as per the owner told us mao na gyud ang presyo. Sige lang. Mas maayo siguro if you can have a chance to have a site inspection. Ay raman sad gyud ang location. Although the owner is from Cebu, then if you have to buy this property, then you are also from Cebu, there's no problem. Because the owner is living in Cebu. So, mao na siya guys. So, ang mga yuta diri guys is a rolling terrain yun. Ana gina siya. Maybe I can take my video soon. Karon nangayo lang sa ko. So mao gini ang forward meaning mao gini ang area. So ani ra ni. Gwapo na siya guys, gwapo na siya kayo. This is a good listing. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land title, condominium title, and license to sell. Okay? More properties for sale at www.propertyph.net. Okay. So, balik ko na to guys. Kini nga property duha ni kabuok. 1.7 og 12,000, 1.7 hectare or 17,000 square meters and 12,000 square meters or 1.2 hectare. Clean title yun ni guys kay naara magyud sa Cebu, husband and wife. Then no problem na gyud titulado gyud as in. Then signal is good and water is to dig a well na gyud ta diri guys. Magdig ra gyud ta. We will dig a deep well here. So there's no problem. We need to dig a well. Then maro na guys. Ato lang final pohon kung unsa gyud no. Okay. Ang pabor diri guys kung madto tag airport, ang pabor gyud sa Cebu or sa Tagbilaran o sa Panglao, depende lang nimo. Kay kung ari pud ta sa Hitape sakay ra ka og para kuan Cebu na may daghan sa Hitape gyud. Or Tubigon sakay na po kag van para Tubigon. Ditso na kag Lapu-Lapu. Pero ganahan ra jud kag ari ka sa Panglao agi, okay ra sa diretso sakay ra kag van, abot sa Tagbilaran, sakay na sa kag bus para para Panglao. So adji problema. So okay gid kaayo. Basta from highway that's around 2 to 3 kilometers di po nakabot rin mga 2 ra gyud. Then napoy mga beach diri dapita, brown sun lang, dili gid white sun. So gusto kag white sun adto tas anda ang dool-dool, which is around mga 1 hour drive pod from anda. So nya na rin na guys. Okay. Basta okay ra si lawyer nga kiring pikas sa ipaliton. Then pikas sa sad ang Kuan. Wow. At least no, clean title. Okay. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Taas pa man kayo ang video yun noon guys. Basta mao lang na. No? Okay. So, okay, thank you very much. God bless to all. Bye.